Hello everyone, how are you today? In this video, we are gonna be talking about Zhiyun Crane M2. This gimbal made for any kind of video productions. The reason why is because you can use this gimbal with your smartphone, with any action cameras or mirrorless cameras, which can be 700 to 800 grams. I know, maybe you are thinking about how can it carry my camera easy, or is it gonna make a good job? Well, I pushed the limit of the gimbal. However, it did a really good job. I used with the Sony a6400 with Sigma 16mm. This total weight was more than 800 grams, but it works fine. And it can do more than they say. I just remembered this sentence. Size does not matter. Also, another thing is, it's so small, man. Look at that. How small is it? Small like a smartphone or like a mini tripod? And with Zhiyun Crane M2, you can make smooth videos, such as like this.
We belong together.
If you haven't subscribed yet to our channel, all you need to do is smash the subscribe button just down here. The Zhiyun Crane M2 does a really good job of stabilizing your camera. And most important point of gimbal is, it's enough for everything, professionally or unprofessionally. You can shoot smooth and calm images. I love the Zhiyun Crane M2. It's a really handy gimbal. It's tiny for carrying, smart for filming. When you get the gimbal, you won't fall in love with the material quality, but you fell in love with the lightness. The Zhiyun Crane M2 is just 500 grams and $269 US. Yes, also the price is light, such as itself. If you'd like to buy M2, you can find the link in the description. The Crane M2 comes with small tripod, wristband, and smartphone holder. The gimbal has an easy carrying like mechanism. With this smart idea, you can lock the axis and you can carry it safely. For the setup, you just need to know some tricks. These tricks can help you to set up more quickly. First, try to remember the numbers that are on the gimbal before or after start the balancing. Also, it has a pin to help to remember the settings. Good job, Zhiyun, good job. So, your gimbal is good to go. What you gonna do with this gimbal? Go outside and start the filming. Well, now I can talk about some features of the gimbal. We have a mode button on the gimbal, and you can press and select different kind of options, such as pan follow, lock, or POV mode. If you double press it, you can change to go and vortex mode. Besides that, with the trigger there's in the back of the gimbal, you can switch to follow mode, or by pressing and holding you can instantly stay in the follow mode. As for the smartphone app, you can connect with the app on your phone to the gimbal. You can change the modes and some settings right on your phone. Using your phone, you can track the object. The battery life is enough for the one-day shooting. The battery life is satisfying because Zhiyun says it has 7-hour battery life. That's really good. You can charge with the USB Type-C cable and it will be quickly charging. Unfortunately, the battery isn't removable for replacing. To sum it all up, I like the Crane M2 because it's practical and compact. The cons, it's not using the best material quality. And an unremovable battery can sometimes be disappointing. I know it's maybe not for heavy jobs, but for the new starters, it's good and inexpensive choice. The pros: small, light, powerful, smart, and affordable. That's all I want to talk about this gimbal. You should subscribe to our channel now and like the video. Take care of yourself. See you in the next video.